out.
Do you need to go, honey?
I'll go in a minute.
She's going to start her approach.
All right. Here we go.
All right.
Let's do it, Pumpkin. Look at how pretty he is. Oh, man, he's
Looking
beautiful.
good.
Good form, Nick. Yay!
Good
Awesome.
job. She's going to come in and do her series.
Oh, Nikki, looking good.
Keep your eyes up.
Awesome.
Way to go.
Woo!
Way to
Good
go.
job.
Come on along. You can do it. Watch your...
That's beautiful, Nick.
Watch for the jump.
Oh, man.
Good job. You can do it.
Come on, Zero.
That was a little slow.
Get him going, sweetie.
You can do it. She's been having trouble with that jump all day. You can do it.
Alright, I'm gonna go put the stuff in your car mode. Okay, here's me.
Good
Yay!
Yay!
Good job, Nikki.
Good job, sweetie.
Way to go.